How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another unboxing video, and today we're going to unbox that iPhone 13 Pro Max. We received iPhone 13 Pro Max and iPhone 13 mini at the same time. Now after 1.5 months later, let's talk about iPhone 13 Pro Max. Now, if we compare the iPhone 13 Pro Max to the last year model iPhone 12 Pro Max boxes, the box size are literally same, but iPhone 13 Pro Max is the best things about the colors and iPhone 3 is the text visibility right here. Well, the best upgrade for the iPhone 13 Pro is of course the big camera this year, but iPhone didn't include the wrapping paper. Instead, they simply added the double pull tag here. Now we have here the iPhone 13 Pro Max Zero Blue. Well, this one comes with a 15 bionic chip with 128 of storage with 6 GB of RAM, and this is really huge. Now let's go ahead and get this box open. Now first of all, let me just go ahead and quickly remove the pull tag from here. Now let me just go ahead and unbox it here. Inside of this box, we have the iPhone 13 Pro Max itself, which we will talk about later. Now, before we get to that iPhone 13 Pro Max, now let's see what we're going to get inside of this box. Now, here we're going to see the lightning cable, and there's another little box here. Now, in this box, we're going to have the SIM sector and the other documentation and the Apple sticker as well. Now, iPhone 13 Pro Max has come with the graphite, gold, silver, and zero blue color. This one has Li-ion 4352 mAh non-removable battery, and it also has the fast charge ability, which can go 50% just in 30 minutes. Now, let's go ahead and quickly set this up and see how it really looks. Let's go ahead and just put them side by side and see what changes we're gonna get. Now if we see that volume up button and down button and that ringer button, well, there is not really a lot of difference that we can see. Things are still on the same places, but if we see at the back side, then the most notable feature is the camera, of course. The bump are really bigger than the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and we got the Apple logo on the same spot. On the back here, power button is on the same place, and down here we will be able to see the speaker. So let me just go ahead and see it right here. Now down here you'll be able to see the lightning port and the speaker as well. Now let me just go ahead and leave that iPhone 12 Pro Max right here and quickly set up the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Now to set this up, go ahead and just swipe up to open, and here you have to choose your language and now choose your country or region. And now set up manually. Now go ahead and choose your Wi-Fi network. Well, now you're going to see your data and policy. Go ahead and tap continue. If you want to set up your Face ID, you can set it up from here, but I will set it up later. Now create a passcode for your iPhone 13 Pro Max. Now go ahead and re-enter your same passcode to make this up. If you want to get your apps and data from your other iPhones, then you can choose any of those from here, or I'm just going to go ahead and tap on Don't Transfer an App and Data, or if you have an Apple ID, go ahead and insert it right here, but we will set it up later. Now tap Setup Later in Settings, tap Don't Use, and then you're good to go. Now it's going to give you the terms and conditions. Go ahead and tap Agree, and then tap Continue. Tap Continue to your iMessage and FaceTime. Now enable a location service if you want to. You can also set up your Siri from here. Also, we will set up the Siri later. Tap Continue for your screen time. Tap Share with Apple. Now if you want to share your app developer option, you can choose it from here. So I'll tap Don't Share. Now choose your app parents. Okay, so I'll just choose the dark one. Tap Continue. Now tap Continue again, and it says Welcome to iPhone. Now go ahead and swipe up to get started. And now you're on the home screen. Now let's go ahead and insert the SIM card to this iPhone 13 Pro Max. Now go ahead and grab your SIM ejector and just push it in here. Take this out. Now go ahead and just place your SIM card on here. Now grab your iPhone again and simply place it in there. Alright, now let's go ahead and wait for the network. Now the network is coming back, and now you're all set. Your iPhone is now ready to use. Alright guys, so this is all about our first impression of unboxing this iPhone 13 Pro Max, and this is all the things you're gonna get if you're gonna get one of these. Hope you find this video is really useful for you in terms of knowing you all about the iPhone 13 Pro Max. If so, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later.